What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here, and today we have a very special episode for you. Today we're going to be reviewing my dad's brand new 2021 Camaro 2SS convertible with the standard 6-speed as well. So we're going to be doing a walk around. He's going to be telling you how he feels about it. It's got about 1,500 miles on it, so not too much. You guys are going to get a fresh review on it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments about how the car looks, sounds, and what do you guys think about it. Alright guys, so we got the 2021 Camaro 2SS in what color we have?
This is Shadow Metallic Gray.
Shadow Metallic Gray. And it looks amazing. I don't know if there's a better color out there for this. It looks really, really good. Chevy did a great job with this car. It's a shame that not a lot of people really buy them. But this car is really, really nice to look at. So you got the 2SS, you have the back end, looks amazing. You got the backup camera in there as well. You got the exhaust with the vacuum system with the multiple sounds for it, so that you could either piss off your neighbors or not piss off your neighbors, depending on if they were nice to you or not. This car, the looks, I feel like I don't even need to say it, guys. The looks are a solid 10. It's not even a question. It is ridiculous looking, and it is absolutely amazing. So without a doubt, this car gets a 10 for the looks. It has the aggressive look to it. So let's get a front shot here. So we got these awesome looking headlights. You got the LEDs with the daytime running lights. You got the projector headlights. You got these fog lights down here. And we got some carbon fiber down here as well. Looks absolutely amazing. This car, Chevy knocked it out of the park with the way they did this. And the exterior is by far the best part. So we're gonna look at the engine. We're also gonna look at the interior. We're gonna give you guys some pros and cons of the vehicle as well. And we're gonna get 1,500 miles worth of daily driven experience from an owner to let you know what he actually thinks about it. So everyone's favorite part about the car is always the engine, right? So why don't we start with that? Look at this baby shine, guys. Absolutely amazing. Look at this engine. What do we have in here? Is it a 6.2?
Yeah, 6.2.
6.2, pushing out how many horsepower?
465.
465 horsepower out of a naturally aspirated 6.2 liter engine. You got the Chevy Performance strut mount right there, and this thing is clean. Look at this. No dust, no nothing. Granted, it's brand new, but this thing is pristine. And look at all the space you still have in this engine bay to do anything that you need to. Working on this thing, I have to imagine, is going to be really easy. So that's where engineers and mechanics actually kind of come together. But this thing is absolutely pristine looking. And again, Chevy did a great job really showcasing the engine. They didn't really put too many covers like you see with the Mercedes, the BMWs, the Lexuses these days. They put the engine on display, and that is part of the reason why Camaros are so good. You got the active vents here, guys. Looks really, really nice. So you get your engine cooling as you're driving, and overall, this part looks amazing. So engine-wise, we're gonna rate this a 10 because it is naturally aspirated. You're getting over 450 horsepower, and it just looks absolutely amazing. So how did you get this car to be as shiny as it is? Did it come factory this way, or what's your maintenance schedule like with this right now?
Well, no, originally when I first got it, I put the ceramic coating on it that actually you got me for a Christmas gift. And it was very easy, you know, you had to do it in the shade, can't do it in the heat. And it's phenomenal. It gives it an extra shine like it's wet. And just for maintenance, I use next gen ceramic spray you know, every 2 months just to keep it looking that great. So
yeah, guys, look at this luster. I've never used the products. I only bought it for him because I heard great reviews out of it, and the way that the clouds, the sun, everything's popping off of it, I think that's an endorsement of the way that the product actually works. So we got the exterior right now, but let's take a look at the trunk, because people, you know, you're not going to be driving by yourself forever. Camaros are not known for storage space. So there you go, guys. You got a bag, and that's it. It can open up a little bit more, but you got room for the top. So it folds down a little bit. I'd say this is about a half a body trunk. So definitely Joe Pesci, not gonna work for you. But cargo space, probably not the greatest. So I'm gonna rate the cargo space probably about a 2. Alright guys, so on the Camaro here, he just pointed out to me that I thought that this was the backup camera. Turns out that it's not. You have your backup camera down here, and up here you have a feature on your rear view mirror where you can actually flip it to that and you can see behind you. So that's pretty cool. I don't know what the actual purpose of that would be.
you can see wider angle.
Oh, you see a wider angle, so you would have, I guess, a better view of what your mirrors want to give you. So camera, pretty cool. We'll get a look at that inside when we get it started up. So one thing I do want to point out here, guys, before we take the top down and give you guys a look at the interior: visibility. With the top up, and I don't know if it's different between the hard top, the fixed roof, and the convertible, but visibility in this thing is absolutely atrocious. So for visibility, I'm going to rate it a 1, because you can't see anything with the top up. Obviously, you put the top down, your visibility goes up to a 10. Unfortunately, you're not going to be driving with the top down all the time, but let's get that top down. Let's watch it. Let's see how it works, and then we'll give you guys a shot at the inside.
Start it up.
Yeah, let's get a cold start for you here, guys, too. Make sure that baby's in track mode. Woo! Stock exhaust, guys. Stock exhaust. Listen to that. All right, let's pop that. Push of a button, very similar to the way the S5 opens, if you guys are familiar with the channel. If not, check out all those videos. Whew. All right, guys, I got to give you another walk around with this thing with the top down, because it just looks, it changes everything. Visibility right back up to a 10. You got such an amazing look here. All right, so one more look around the car with the top down. The looks of this thing are phenomenal. I can't focus on the outside too much longer, because otherwise this review video is going to be super long. But overall, let me know what you guys think about it. What's your favorite part of this car? The way that it looks, top up, top down, let me know. The thing looks absolutely amazing. So let's look at the interior now as well and get a review of that. Interior wise, you got this awesome leather, super high quality materials, back seats. You know, you're not fitting anyone back there. We just did a review of the Mustang. Mustang had a little bit more space than that.
Anybody with no legs can sit back there.
Anybody with no legs can sit back there, or a brand newborn baby. Obviously don't do that, guys. But really high quality materials. Chevy did a great job with this. You guys remember the Ford Mustang that I just did, and the materials were, it was plastic, it was vinyl, it was very, very poorly put together. And this is a really nice interior. So here, you got the digital gauges. I'll give you guys a close-up of that. You got the navigation as well, and it just looks really nice. Got the leather-wrapped shift wheel, shift knob.
And it's got the flat steering wheel.
And we got the flat steering wheel over there. And we have the SS embroidered armrest and seats as well. Looks absolutely amazing. So you got the bimodal exhaust, right?
Yes.
So let's hit that real quick. Go through the range. Just shout out what it is right now. What range are we in right now?
Right now we're in sport.
All right, so we're in sport. Can you give me a rev up to like 2,000?
So, oh right, this. I went to tour, so this is tour.
All right, so. All right, so that was touring.
Now this is sport.
Sport. Okay.
Then we go to track.
Track mode.
So the other one is snow and ice, which I'll never use.
Snow and ice, so you don't wake up the neighbors there, guys.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. Listen to that baby purr. We're still in the break-in period, so we're not going to do too much, but I had to show you guys that. So let's get a shot at the interior, the gauges, and all that. Woo! Look at that, guys. He just flipped that on.
Did you see it?
So that's the backup camera, or that's the rear camera. Look at that truck back there, guys. You guys seen that one before?
And now watch. This is normal. That's the way it is. And then your camera, you get a bigger view.
Look at that, guys. That is awesome.
Yeah.
Chevy, well done. Well done, Chevy. All right, so let's get a shot at the interior. So we got the gauges. You got the digital gauge cluster. Looks amazing. Did a really nice job. You got the tach. Looking good over there. You got your speedometer. So gauge cluster looks awesome. Looking really good. Steering wheel. You got, so what are all these buttons on the steering wheel here? You got your steering wheel warmer.
So yeah, you got a steering wheel warmer, and then you got your cruise. You got voice command, and this is coming out here today. So my actual gas mileage is 26.2 coming out here today. For the highway, that's pretty good. The city, the gas mileage sucks. I get like 10 miles to a gallon.
It's 26 miles to the gallon on the highway, guys. 6.2 liter. Don't forget that. Chevy, great job.
Yeah. And this is my normal driving, just the whole thing. So normal 13.9. That's for that.
So he lives up in New York, so
Right.
we don't have, you know, the greatest highway stretches there. So
You got remaining oil life, 58%. You got your tire pressure. And this is a time if you're going to the track and stuff. It's got launch mode that I'll never use because I don't abuse my cars. So, and then it tells you what the speed limit is. And there's a blank screen if you want to fly by the seat of your pants and not know what you're doing. But I like to know my speed, so I leave it on that.
awesome. So we got 1,437 miles on this thing. Not out of the break-in period yet, guys, so we're not going to take it too fast. But we are going to take it on the test drive, and we're going to get it up a little bit just so you guys can hear this baby purr. All right, so instant feel of the way that this looks and feels right now. This clutch, absolutely amazing. It feels like you're pressing down the gas pedal. After coming from the Mustang, I feel like I might stall this, so you might see a couple edits in here. I also see the heads-up display. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the heads-up display in color looks awesome. So we have the Rev Match here as well. So let's give this a little shot.
And put it on Rev Match. You hear wonderful engine noises.
So how do I put the Rev Match on?
It's on.
All right, so we got the Rev Match on. So let's cruise, guys, and have a little bit of fun. This thing is smooth. Wow. Smooth. Shifts feel absolutely amazing. You got your touch screen over here as well, so you can mess around with that. This thing's got some serious power, guys. Once we get out of the break-in period, we'll do another test drive for you. But right now, we gotta make sure that we don't mess up any of the seals or anything for the oil or anything like that. So we will take it out on the road and get it up a little bit. Clutch feels amazing, super smooth. I cannot overstate that, guys. Your 6-speed feels absolutely amazing. So drivability, the way that it sounds, it's absolutely amazing. All right, let's get some rev matches going here, guys. Listen to this. Let's give it a little punch. You guys hear that rev up? I mean, this says everything, guys. Car is absolutely amazing. It really is. Drivability is by far a 10. I can't go above that, but I can only imagine what this is actually going to be like when he gets up to be out of the break-in period.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey, you even got Google Home in here too?
Yeah.
You got your backup camera, shows up real nice. Mirrors go down and everything. So real quick here, guys, you got the dual window feature here. You got the rear with these two buttons, front with these two buttons. So these control everything. It's pretty cool. You also have the red for sport mode. Shows you some features, looks awesome.
And then that's touring mode.
Touring mode switches to blue, lets you guys know what you're in.
Snow and ice is
Snow and ice if you want to be a little
yeah.
little bitch.
And then track is
Track looks orange.
yes.
Awesome. Chevy did a really nice job with all this, guys. So let's hop out of this. All right, guys, so that's going to be basically the review, but we're going to get a real driver experience of the vehicle. How long have you had it?
April 17th. I think.
So he bought it back in April, so we're looking at about 6 months right now. It's got just under 1,500 miles. So overall experience, how do you like the car?
I love it. I do.
Awesome. Loves the car, really enjoys it. What made you get the Camaro?
You know, originally I was looking at the Mustang, and it's funny, the 2021s didn't come out for a while. So I said, you know something, I want the car now. So I looked into the Camaro. The 2021s were available, and I'm lucky I changed it because I do like the look of this, and I think I made the right decision.
I think so too.
Yeah.
You had a Camaro as your, what, first vehicle?
Yeah, 68 Camaro.
68 Camaro, reliving his childhood with the 2021 Camaro. So I think you made the right choice. Let me know what you guys think. Have there been any issues or anything with the car? Obviously, it's still brand new.
Yeah, nothing yet, so.
Nothing. All right. No issues so far, 1,400 miles. You guys heard it here first. So let me know what you guys think about the car, the vehicle, anything that I might have missed on. I can give you guys a little bit more. Comment down below. Thanks so much for being here. Thank you, Dad, for showing me it.
You're welcome.
Make sure you guys like, subscribe. It really helps out. Turn on those push notifications and let me know what other vehicles you guys want to see. Maybe I know someone with it and I can give a review on it.